I'm Ty with the Media Factory, and we're in lovely downtown Burlington, asking people about their pets. Cats, dogs, birds, whatever.
I'm Ella Glass. Yes, I have 2 English setters. Their names are Olive and Penny.
Aww.
And it's kind of color coordinated names. You know, according to the color coordination, can you tell which one is which? And they hunt. They hunt grouse. Their job is to point at them, which means they pick their foot up off the ground and stick their tail out. Yes, are you familiar?
Oh, yeah. All right, thank you, Ella.
Thank you.
I'm Heidi. I have a pet, part Golden Retriever and part Great Pyrenees. She is, I think, 4 years old now.
Okay.
And I'll find a picture of her.
Yeah, what did you say her name was?
Moxie.
Aw, that's such a lovely name. Do you see it? Aw. Maybe we can get Bonnie to talk too. Bonnie, do you want to say a few words? What if I go?
Maybe if you have That's Bonnie. And this is
Bonnie?
Uko.
Bonnie and Uko. Aw. Okay, well, my cat's name is Rome. He is a fantastic feline. Here are some photos. Yes, he is almost 4 years old. He likes to lay down like a snow leopard, and he likes to eat catnip and pate. Submit your pet videos to mediafactory.com/pawsplay for a chance to win a $25 gift card to the Pet Food Warehouse. Hope to see your videos there. Catch you on the next one. Goodbye.